sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Students, look at the board, be focused. Give me your ears, lend me your ears. Clear? Be attentive while listening to it. Clear? And follow each and every word I am speaking. Clear? You get good understanding. What is they? That is
Subject.
one by one. Subject. Clear? Then arrange. Yes, you? Wow. Clear? A party. Hold on. Keep silent. A party.
Direct object.
Direct object. Clear? The new
Couple.
couple. The new couple, what the new couple is?
Indirect.
Indirect object. Clear? I-O. Clear? I-O means indirect object. So let's clear our why. Why it is a direct object? Why it is indirect object? Clear? Until and unless our why is not clear, we won't understand anything. We won't understand anything. So my question is, why a party is direct object? Well, give me the reason. Yes?
Because subject is working on it.
Tell me my way, the way I am teaching you.
Because
The
it
way
is,
I have been teaching you.
because it is completing the
Action of arranging is directly affecting party. Look at this is action verb. Arranging is action verb. Action of arranging is directly affecting
Party.
a party and indirectly affecting the
New couple.
new couple. That's the reason new couple is indirect object and a party is direct object. Remember the word action of this verb, action of that verb. Note it down. Once you note it down in your notebooks, next time if I ask you the same question, you may be able to give me the right answer. The problem with you people is that you do not note anything while I am teaching you. Clear? Give attention and also note down each and everything. Note it secretly without letting me know. Clear? Sickness made the child irritable. What the sickness is? Yes, sickness? Subject. Clear? This is subject. What's the made is? No. Sickness made. Yes, you. What the made is? Hold on, somebody else, please. What the main is? It's verb or you may
Main
call
verb.
action verb. Clear? The child. Yes, you? Direct object. And irritable? Full time. You please. You in the corner. Let me know what the irritable is. Object complement. Irritable is object complement. Object complement. Clear? So action of making is directly affecting the child, and who is completing the object?
Irritable.
Irritable. The word irritable is completing the object child. Clear? Child is the direct object. And the word that is completing the child, the direct object, that is irritable. Clear? That's the reason irritable, the word irritable is object complement. If we speak sickness made the child, do you get the full understanding of it?
No.
You don't get the full sense of the sentence. You get some sense, but you do not get full sense of the sentence. Clear? That's the reason irritable is object complement, because it is completing the object, this object. Object is incomplete unless and until we place this one. Clear? Next one, 23 number. This one, this one, this one, this one. Who will tell you? Yes, you? What is he?
Subject.
Subject, well done. What teaches? Verb. What is us?
Indirect object.
I-O. It's I-O. And geometry. Yes, you?
Direct object.
Direct object. Clear? I think I have discussed it earlier in previous videos. Anyway, time is short. This is the subject, this is the verb. And action of teaching is directly affecting who?
Geometry.
One by one. Raise your hands, talk to me, stay disciplined. Yes, action of teaching is directly affecting.
To geometry, because it teaches geometry.
Why it is directly affecting geometry?
Because he is teaching geometry.
Why action of teaching is directly affecting the geometry and indirectly affecting us? Who will tell me the reason? Yes, you, Prabha. Keep sitting. No need to stand up.
Because he is directly teaching a geometry and he's teaching geometry to us. That's why us is an indirect object and geometry is a direct object.
If I want to teach you English, what I will do? I will directly come to your class or I will study the book first. I'll work, action of teaching will be directly affecting the English book. Clear? Then you will be taught English. Clear? So, action of teaching will be directly affecting geometry and then affecting us. Clear? That's the reason. It is indirect object and it is direct object. Clear? Or I told you the example of duster. Clear? For example, I gave a duster to her. What's your name? Aima. I gave a duster to Aima. Clear? And there is a sentence, teacher gave duster to Aima. Teacher gave duster to Aima. What is teacher?
Subject.
Subject. Clear? Action of giving is directly affecting who?
Aima.
Aima or?
Duster.
Speak one by one. So now you tell me. Action of teaching is directly affecting the duster or Aima? Because I started working on the duster. The moment I picked the duster, action of teaching directly affected the duster. Then it affected Aima. So duster is direct object and Aima is? Did you understand the story?
Yes.
Next one. Faiz Ahmed Faiz was a poet again. What is Faiz Ahmed Faiz? It is subject. Was.
Helping verb.
I think was is
Helping verb.
linking verb. Because it is linking subject to the
Subject form.
was a poet,
Yes.
what the poet is? Subject to the complement. Clear? It is linking. Clear? Was is linking subject to the complement. Clear? That's the reason. Poet is a
Subject.
complement and was is a you can say linking verb. Clear? And why a poet is you can say subject complement? Because
It's completing the
The
subject.
sentence.
if you speak one by one, it is understandable. Yes, why? A poet is subject complement?
Because it completes sentence.
Sentence.
Give me a valid reason. Yes?
Because it is completing the subject.
And what is the subject?
Present with that.
Yes, because it is completing the subject. Faiz Ahmed Faiz. If I say Faiz Ahmed Faiz was, do you
What
understand the
was?
meaning?
No.
No.
You don't get the complete, you get some meaning, but you do not get the complete meaning. Who Faiz Ahmed Faiz was? What are you talking about? Clear? Until and unless I write a poet. Clear?
Yes.
Next one, my father sent me a money order. What my father is?
Subject.
Subject. Clear? Raise your hands. Sent. What is sent?
Verb.
Verb. Clear? It's action verb.
Action verb.
Clear? And what's me? You? I-O and a money order. What is money order? Direct object. Why a money order is direct object? Who will explain it?
The action of sending is directly affecting the money order.
Yes, action of sending is directly affecting the because the father started working on money order and then he sent that money order to me. Clear? Thank you very much for finding it out. Next.